Here at Twinkl, we create resources that help you teach. These editable allergy lists allow you to record children's allergies, treatments, and who to alert in case of a reaction. Whether it's your classroom, home, or early learning centre, it's a useful addition to any wall display, particularly in a kitchen, staff room, or dining area, to display pupil allergy information clearly. Schools should have an allergy policy. This ensures all staff members, parents and carers understand the responsibilities and processes the setting takes with regards to children with food allergies. This ensures all relevant information is recorded and shared with the appropriate staff members to make sure children are not provided with any foods which may cause an adverse reaction. It may be helpful to also display an image of the child alongside their name, allergies and the procedures, in order to alert staff members of who the child is and what allergies they have. So, there you have it. Head over to the Twinkl website now to download this resource. Until next time, bye for now.